Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, I will show you how to find the intercepts and zeros of rational functions. The intercepts of the graph of a rational function are the points of intersection of each graph and an axis. So take note of that points of intersection sa graph natin and an axis. And we all know that sa Cartesian plane, we have the, very good, x-axis and also the y-axis. Okay? So guys, dito, yung sinasabing point of intersection doon sa y-axis ay tinatawag nating y-intercept. And paano tayo magkakamap sa y-intercept or paano natin makukuha yung y-intercept? We simply evaluate the function at x equals 0. Okay? And yung point of intersection naman doon sa x-axis ay tinatawag nating x-intercept. Okay? So, to find the x-intercept, equate the function to 0. Okay, so, ang ibig sabihin guys, kaya nga we have f of x can be written as y. Okay? So, isiset natin yung y na yon into 0. Gets? And last, we have the zeros of a function or the values of x which make the function 0. So guys, ibig sabihin dito, para makuha natin yung zeros of a function, yung numerator natin, i-equate natin by 0. Okay? And of course, the numbered zeros are also x-intercepts of the graph of the function. So guys, ibig sabihin, yung zeros of a function, tapos yung x-intercept natin, are almost the same. So, mag-same lang sila or yung location ay halos same lang sila doon sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay? So, this is the illustration of the zero of the function and x-intercept. So, guys, dito, again, kapag sinabi nating x-intercept, a point or a graph crosses on the x-axis. So, ito yun, guys, no? And then, ito yung x-intercept natin and also the zero of the function. And yung sinasabi nating y-intercept, the graph or a point crosses on the y-axis. So guys, ito naman yon. Okay. So ito yung example ng graph ng rational function. Gets? So now, let's have examples. Find the x and y intercepts of the following rational functions. So, number 1, we have f of x equals 3 over x minus 3. So, guys, dito, hinahanap natin yung x and y intercepts muna. Okay, so, to solve for the x-intercept, so, isulat natin para hindi tayo malito. To solve for x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. Okay. So, guys, dito, sabi natin kanina, yung f of x, we can rewrite as y, right? Since f of x equals y. So, it will become y equals, instead of f of x, it will become y equals 3 over x minus 3. Okay? And then, after that, guys, okay, very good. Yung ating y magiging 0. Okay? Kaya nga, let y be equal to 0. So, it will become 0. Pinlog in natin yon. And then, equals 3 over x minus 3. So, guys, dito, by cross multiplication product, okay, so guys, ito yon. Diba yung 0 over 1 to? Right? Okay? So, cross multiplication, it will become 0 times x minus 3 That is equal to 0, right? And then, 3 times 1 equals 3. So guys, dito, kung mapapansin natin, we don't have x-intercept. So we simply write no x-intercept. Ibig sabihin, yung makukuha natin na value ay sa x-intercept natin. Pero dito, wala tayong nakuha value. Kaya, ang sagot natin ay no x-intercept or there will be no x-intercept. Gets? And now, to solve for y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. Okay? Gets? Okay, so y now is equal to 3 over x minus 3. So, ang ibig sabihin dito guys, yung x natin na variable magiging 0. Okay, so y now is equal to 3 over x becomes 0 minus 3. So y is equal to 3 over 0 minus 3, that is equal to negative 3. Gets? And then we can still simplify 3 over negative 3. This is now equal to negative 1. So therefore, ang coordinate natin sa y-intercept ay, ang coordinate natin dito guys ay, very good, 0, then negative 1. So guys, dito, hindi pwedeng maging negative 1, 0. Kapag negative 1, 0, that is x-intercept. May value yung x natin, yung y natin walang value. So dito, sa y-intercept, may value yung y natin, pero walang value yung x natin. Gets? Okay. So, ganito lang yung pagkuha ng x and y-intercept. Now, moving on sa example number 2 natin. So, we have f of x equals x minus 2 all over x plus 2. So, same procedure lang ng ginawa natin. Okay? So, sabi natin dyan, to solve for the x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. Okay? So, meaning, yung f of x natin guys, pwede natin itong i-write as y equals x minus 2 over x plus 2. Okay? And then, yung y natin magiging 0. So, 0 equals x minus 2 all over x plus 2. So, guys, dito, using cross multiplication product, diba, over 1 to. Ayan, cross multiplication tayo. So, the quantity, or I mean, x minus 2 times 1, it will become x minus 2. Okay? And then 0 times x plus 2, of course, this is equal to 0, right? And then equate. So, copy the variable x. Si negative 2, ilipat natin sa kabila. It will become positive 2. So, therefore, class, yung x-intercept natin ay 2, 0. Okay? So, x-intercept, ang coordinates natin, kung kukunin natin ay, very good, 2, 0. Hindi siya pwede maging 0, 2. That is y-intercept. Very good. Okay? It should be 2, 0. Ibig sabihin, may value yung x natin, pero yung y natin walang value. As simple as that. Gets? And now, to solve for the y-intercept, okay, ano yung sabi natin doon? To solve for the y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. Okay? So, meaning, y equals x minus 2 all over x plus 2. So, y now is equal to, so yung x natin dyan guys, gagawin natin 0. So, lahat ng x gawing 0. And then 0 minus 2 and then 0 plus 2. So let's simplify. 0 minus 2, this is equal to negative 2. 0 plus 2 equals positive 2. And we can still simplify negative 2 over 2. It will become, very good, negative 1. Okay? Kasi negative divided by positive is negative. So therefore, our y-intercept, ang coordinates doon ay 0, negative 1. Hindi siya pwedeng maging negative 1, 0. That is x-intercept. Okay? So, the y-intercept is 0, negative 1. Gets? Now, let's have number 3 example. So, what if, guys, ganito naman yung given natin? F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. So, guys, dito, ang gagawin lang natin, isi-simplify natin yan. Okay? Later. So now, to solve for the x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. So dito, pwede ko siyang isulat as y equals x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay? And then, write x squared minus 4. Okay, so to solve for the x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. So yung y natin, gagawin natin, very good, 0 equals, copy x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4. So, using cross multiplication, so, di ba we have over 1 to? Ayan, cross multiplication. So, it will become, yung x squared minus 3x plus 2 times 1, it will become x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals, of course, 0 times x squared minus 4, it will give us 0. Or that gives us 0, right? Okay. So guys, dito, nag-come up tayo sa quadratic equation. Very good. Okay, so let's do factoring kung kinakailangan. So how do we factor? Alam naman natin yan. So we factor the first term, right? The first term and then the last term. So guys, dito, madali lang yan. Since positive to yon, so, and ito ay negative, 3x. Ibig sabihin, yung factors natin parehas ay negative. Kasi negative times negative is positive. So, it will become, very good, quantity x times x, and then minus 2 and minus 1. Right? So, guys, pag multiply ko yan, magkakama up ulit tayo sa x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then, equals 0. Okay. So, guys, dito, by using zero product property, equate natin by 0. So, it will become x minus 2 equals 0. Okay? And then, the other one is x minus 1 equals 0. So, guys, dito, yung negative 2 ilipat ko, magiging positive 2. Same with negative 1. It will become positive 1. Okay, so therefore, we have two x-intercepts. Pero take note of that, tignan natin sa original function. When x is equal to positive 2, so guys, ito, kapag yan ay equal to positive 2, tignan natin. So 2 squared, that is equal to 4 minus 4. That gives us undefined o 0 yung denominator. Hindi natin papayagan yon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, guys, i-omit natin to yung x equals 2. So, ang tatanggapin nating value or the x-intercept is only x equals 1. Okay? So, kapag sinabstitute natin doon sa denominator, so 1 squared, that is equal to 1 minus 4. Okay, hindi naman siya magiging undefined or 0 yung denominator. So, therefore, Ang x-intercept natin dito ay positive 1. Gets? Okay. So, the x-intercept is 1, 0. Gets? Okay. So now, for us to solve for the y-intercept, so paano natin yon? To solve for the y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. Right? Okay, so y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. Okay, ibig sabihin yung lahat ng variable x natin magiging 0. So, 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus 2. Okay? All over 0 squared minus 4. So, guys, dito, pwede tayo mag-cancel out na dyan. So, cancel. Cancel kasi 0 naman yan. Ito pa. Okay? So, we left by y equals 2 over negative 4. And we all know that yung 2 over negative 4, we can still simplify, right? So, y is equal to negative 1 half. Gets? Okay. So, yung y-intercept natin dito, guys, ay ang y-intercept natin ay 0, negative 1 half. Gets? Okay. So now, moving on sa letter B, determine the zeros of the following rational functions. So guys, sabi ko kanina, paano ba natin makakuha yung zeros of a function? Meaning, yung numerator natin, equate natin by 0. Okay, so number 1, the given is f of x equals 3 all over x minus 3. So guys, dito, hindi natin ma-equate yung numerator. So meaning, none. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay none. So, no zeros of a function. Gets? Kasi hindi na naman natin ma-equate siya by 0. And now, sa number 2, f of x equals x minus 2 all over x plus 2. So guys, dito, kapag sinabi natin 0 or zeros of a function, magiging 0 yung buong function natin. So let's see. Equate natin yung numerator natin by 0. So x minus 2. Okay. So x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. So it will become positive 2. So when x is equal to 2, so 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 0 over 2, okay? Or I mean, 0 over 2 plus 2 or over 4, magiging 0 yung whole function natin. Right? Kaya nga, i-equate lang natin yung numerator by 0. Okay? So, x equals 2. So, this is the 0 of a function. Okay? Ng number 2. Gets? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, sa number 3, so what if guys, ganito yung given naman natin. F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. So guys, dito, kung kinakailangan natin mag-factor out tayo. Okay? So it will become, so factor ni x squared tsaka ni positive 2. Okay? So we have x times x and then positive 2. Of course, dapat makapag-provide tayo ng negative 3x upon factoring. That is negative, very good, negative 2 and then negative 1. So guys, walang problema dyan kung mauna si negative 1 followed by negative 2. Gets? Okay, all over factor ng x squared minus 4. This is x plus 2 and then x minus 2, right? Okay. So guys, dito, pwede tayo kung kinakailangan natin cancellation, so let's cancel out the common terms. So, it will give us new function which is x minus 1 over x plus 2. So guys, dito, equate na natin yung numerator, which is x minus 1. Equate by 0. Okay? So, x minus 1 equals 0. So, it will become positive 1. So guys, dito, kapag yung numerator natin, yung value ng x natin ay magiging 1, ito, so 1 minus 1 equals 0. So dun pa lang, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 0 over 3, that gives us 0 of a function. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. So this is the end of our video. I hope na marin kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.